This time we're gonna transfer a picture onto a t-shirt, and we're using fabric crayons or fabric crayons from Crayola. So you have to keep in mind that's our design, but once you iron it onto your shirt, it needs to be reversed. So Fiti choose his ninja. Okay, my son choose a ninja symbol he wants to have on his t-shirt. So now he has to actually just color in everything which is black, and then we're gonna transfer it onto the t-shirt. It's our first try, so we're not sure how it's gonna work, but yeah, let's get started. We made a little mistake, so I'm gonna transfer just the outlines, and then Fiti can color it in. Okay, it's your shirt, it's ironed. That's the design, and it has to be placed properly. This way, centered. And the most important thing is to fix it to the corners, because it can't, if it's moving around, it's gonna smear. You don't want any smears. So it's our first try too, so I'm not sure how it's gonna work or not. Let's see that later. And I'm just gonna put that on top of baking paper. Now you can heat up your iron. Let's start on transferring it. Hopefully it works. It looks like it's working, it's actually coming through. Wow. Cool.